how to lock your Telegram app. If you want to protect your Telegram app from intruders or anyone to get access to your Telegram account without your knowledge, this video is for you. In order to lock our account, we first have to navigate to our Telegram interface. On the top left corner, make sure to click on these three ellipses. Among the list of menus on this left panel, continue to click on settings. Then with this selected, scroll down a bit and locate privacy and security. And the privacy and security, this is where the magic will happen. Continue to click on passcode lock. At this time, we're going to continue to enable passcode. Then we're going to create our 4-digit pin, which in my case is just a random figure. So once I'm done, I'm going to re-enter it again. But make sure this digit is something that you will not forget, because when we forget it, we will not be able to get access to our Telegram app. So you have the option to auto lock it in 1 hour, or you can even edit how it's going to be, whether you want to auto lock it in 5 minutes, 1 hour, 5 hours. And when you scroll down a bit, you could see the various options available. So let's say, for instance, we're going to auto lock it in 5 minutes. Make sure it's selected and then continue to click on done. So now when you leave your Telegram app without opening it in 5 minutes time, it's going to auto lock itself. If later you have a change of mind and you want to change your passcode, all you have to do is to come here and click on change passcode. This will give us the option to enter our new passcode by just entering any of the 4 digits that you wish to do. After that, let's say we are tired of using this passcode lock and we want to turn it off completely. All you have to do is to scroll down to the last options and click on turn passcode off. Then with this selected, continue to click on turn off. There you are, you have successfully turned off the passcode lock. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.